Hello children and welcome to your English class. So from today we are going to learn the sound of A. Sound of A. And with this sound we are going to learn new CVC words. So the first word is A. Egg. A. Egg. A. Elephant. A. Elephant. A. Elf. A. Elf. A. Elbow. A. Elbow. A. Escalator. A. Escalator. A. Engine. A. Engine. So now you saw these all words have the beginning sound A. So the sound of letter E is okay. So as I told you, we would be doing the CVC words. So the first one which we would be starting from today onwards is A, N. N words. A, N, N words. Now let's see the first one. The N. Den. The N. Den. Now how am I getting the sound N? A, N, N. Okay? A, N, N. So the N, den. H, N, hen. H, N, hen. Next one. M, N, men. M, N, men. P, N, pen. P, N, pen. T, N, ten. T, N, ten. Y, N, yen. Yen is the currency of Japan. Y, N, yen. And the last one, Z, N, zen. Now zen means staying calm or in a meditation pose, generally in Buddhism. So Buddhism culture follows this and the meaning of Zen in Buddhism, it means meditation or staying calm. So now we would write these words in our English notebook. You will write today's date, CW, and then you will write only these words. The first one is den, then hen, men, pen, ten. So you will write 2 times in class and 2 times as homework. So this also, children, you need to revise all the words given in this PPT. Please do revise, read them in your home. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.